In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App Pools. Pools is a new feature where basically your friends can combine their money into a pool to pay for something. It works a lot like the Cash App savings feature, which I've shown how to use on my channel. If you don't see pools here yet on the main screen or this pool button, you may need to update your app or just wait for it to come out for you. They're slowly rolling it out to all users. You can start a pool here on the main screen, or you may see pools show up here on your money screen. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on this. This just shows your history of pools, and if you have an active pool, it'll show as well, so I'll show that in a second. But to start a pool, you can go to the main screen and type how much you want to collectively put together in this pool. So maybe you have 5 friends and each of you are gonna contribute $20, so that would be $100. I'm just type 100, and then I'm gonna tap the pool button. Now I can name this whatever I want. I'm just gonna name it Pool 2. And then tap start. We can see here that I haven't contributed anything. It's just created this $100 goal. As the creator of the pool, I'm gonna be the one that's gonna be able to collect this money at the end and or close the pool. And you can see that by tapping the dots on the top right corner. So I have the ability to close this pool. Now first, I'm gonna tap contribute and I'm just gonna add $20. This is coming from my cash balance. You can see at the top, and tap contribute. So I've added $20 to this pool, and you can scroll down and see all of the activity as well. So when other people add money, they'll show up under this activity. Now the next thing to do, currently I'm the only person that knows about this, but you would want to tap add people. And then you can add your family or friends to contribute to this pool. If they have a Cash App, you can just use their cash tag to invite them. If they don't have a Cash App, you can also invite people to use Apple Pay or Google Pay. Just copy the link or share it to them. I believe they're also adding support for other apps like PayPal and Venmo as well. So people will basically be able to contribute to this pool from any app. I'm just gonna close this out. And then once people are invited to this group, you can also tap the dots in the top right corner and tap manage people. There will be a list here. You can see I'm the organizer. Then other people that are invited will show up under this. Another thing to note, you can contribute multiple times, but you can't really take out money that you've already contributed without just closing the pool. So like I can contribute another $1 if I want. Tap contribute. Tap done. We have $21 in the goal now, and we can see all of the activity that's showing up down here. Now I can't uncontribute anyway. The only way to do that currently that I see is close the pool and start a new one. I'm gonna close this out. I'm gonna go to the money screen and show you what this looks like here. So here we have my active and closed pools. You can see I have $4 in my Cash App balance. I'll go back into pools and close this one out, pool number 2. So I'm gonna close this pool, and that's gonna transfer the money back to my Cash App balance. So if you did have a pool with everybody's money in it, you're going to be able to close the pool, and then all of that money would transfer to your Cash App balance as the organizer, and then you can use it on whatever the goal of the pool was. So tap done. This one's been closed. You can see that money goes back into my Cash App balance. And there you have it. That's how to use the new Cash App Pools feature. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.